Hello everyone, welcome to the practical session. Myself, Professor S.K. Sonone from Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik, Department of Plant Pathology. So, exercise number 3, nutritional media and their preparation. This is very important for your all the semester up to 8th semester. This is media knowledge, which media we are using in microbiology or plant pathology, as well as preparation of that nutritional media, which means which ingredients include in which media. Okay, then first objective of these exercise, since the bacteria are without chlorophyll, they cannot manufacture their own food material, so we have to provide artificial food material for the bacteria. They have therefore to depend upon outside source for their food requirement. Hence, it is necessary to grow them on artificial media of certain kind of food, so that large number of one kind of bacteria, that is pure culture, will be available at a time for study. Culture medium, some definitions are there. First definition is culture medium, nutrient or combination of nutrients used for the growth of microorganisms is called as culture medium. Then what is meant by culture? It is the growth of microorganisms on media. It means culture. So it is fungus or bacteria or virus or mycorrhiza, whatever it may be, but we called culture. It is the growth of microorganism on a medium. If a culture contains the growth of only one type of microorganism, it is called as pure culture. Means no unwanted organism is grow in the petri plate, we are called pure culture. On the other hand, when it contains growth of more than one type of microorganism, it is called as mixed or contaminated culture. Means desired organism with the undesired organism is grow in the petri plate. We call contaminated culture. Next, the main element required for bacterial growth are carbon and nitrogen, certain amount of minerals and vitamins with water. Carbon usually supplied carbohydrates, water supplies hydrogen, and nitrogen can be supplied in organic or organic form. Organic or in inorganic form. Then, in the laboratory, peptone is commonly employed in the form of organic nitrogen. It also supplied carbon. Since different microorganisms required various nutrients and different proportional, general media supplying all the essential nutrients are commonly used. That is Na, nutrient agar, nutrient broth, and PDA means potato dextrose agar for fungus. The medium is prepared by mixing or dissolving nutrients in water, that makes a liquid medium. If solidifying agent means agar agar or gelatin is added, a liquefied solid medium can be prepared. Requirement of good culture medium. It should supply required nutrients in a proper proportions. Means carbohydrates, carbon source, protein source, and micronutrients are provided in a proper proportion to the bacteria or fungus. It should have a proper pH. For example, bacteria having 7.2 standard pH for their better growth, and fungus required 5.5 to 6.5 ideal range of pH for their better growth. Okay, so we should provide proper pH level or proper pH range. It should be free from all living organisms and unwanted material. Means media should be sterilized properly or not contaminated with the unwanted organisms or materials. It should have proper moisture content. Means when you are preparing liquid medium, so skip the agar agar or solidifying agent, and you are preparing solid medium, then you have to use agar agar 20 gram per liter or gelatin. It should have considerable physical properties, for example solid or liquid. Nutrient substances commonly used to prepare bacteriological media. Gelatin is an incomplete protein compound prepared from animal bones and horns and hoops. Okay, gelatin prepared from animal bones, horns, and hoops. It is used by certain gelatinous producing bacteria called gelatin liquefying organisms. It melts at 37 degrees Celsius and solidified at 20 degrees Celsius. The medium containing gelatin is transparent and water of the condensation is not formed on its surface. It is used at 10 to 20% in the medium for solidification, means 20 gram per liter. Agar-agar, it is complex carbohydrates prepared from seaweed or marine algae. It is used, uh, sorry, agar-agar prepared from seaweed or marine algae. This is the very important line. Uh, it always asks for the filling the blanks in final examination, practical or as well as theory. It is used as solidifying agent in culture media at 1.5 to 2% concentration. It melts at 98 degrees Celsius and solidifies at 37 degrees Celsius. The medium is opaque when solid and covered by water of condensation. It does not supply any nutrients to the organisms. Okay, agar-agar only for using solidifying the media, not provide any nutrient to the organism. Agar-agar is preferred as a solidifying agent because less quantity is required. It remains solid at room temperature and it is not acted upon or used by microorganisms. Gelatin is used to study the liquefying ability of bacteria. Classification of media according to composition, two types of media is there: synthetic media and non-synthetic media. Synthetic media, exact chemical composition of ingredients is known. We have to know exact chemical composition of media. It is called as synthetic media. For example, Richards medium, Asbest medium and Kunz medium. These are the synthetic media. Then non-synthetic media means chemical composition is not exactly known. That is PDA, potato dextrose agar, nutrient agar means Na, and malt extract agar, etc. According to use, general or common use, for example PDA, nutrient broth and nutrient agar. Selective or special medium means used for specific organism, Asbest medium for azotobacter and yeast menthol agar for rhizobium means particular bacteria required particular medium. It is called as selective or special medium. Then differential media. These are used to detect the production of certain characteristic growth of the various species. Eosin methylene blue agar for testing coliform bacteria. Solid media are used for studying cultural characters for maintenance and obtain pure culture by streaking, plating, etc. While liquid media are commonly used for large scale multiplication of the organism or commercial production of the microorganism. Then preparation of common media. We always prepared potato dextrose agar, nutrient agar and nutrient broth. Then Congo red medium means rhizobium media, Cryma media, then Picovascas medium, then Johnson's medium. These all the common media we are preparing in the laboratory. First one, nutrient agar. The chemical composition of nutrient agar: beef extract 3 gram, peptone 5 gram and agar agar 20 gram in a 1000 ml of water, means 1 liter composition is there. Then potato dextrose agar, potato 200 gram, dextrose 20 gram, agar agar 20 gram in a 1000 ml of water. 20 gram agar agar is the universal value or universally used 20 gram of agar agar per liter of media. Method of PDA preparation means potato dextrose agar. The boil and filter extract of potato is mixed with dextrose and agar agar dissolved by indirect heating. The medium is distributed into tubes or flask. Plug and sterilize in autoclave at 15 IBS. Pressure for 15 minutes. Tube are slanted during solidification to form slants. This is general medium for fungus. Potato dextrose agar is general medium for fungus. Then yeast extract mannitol. This is the composition for 1 liter of media. Asbest medium, this is the 1 liter media composition. Then Richards medium. Adjustment of pH of culture medium. How to adjust pH level of culture medium? This is the measurement of acidity or alkalinity of a solution, or it is the hydrogen ion concentration of medium. Different microorganisms grow well in the culture medium having specific pH. Bacteria require slightly alkaline medium, that is 7 to 7.5. We already studied in the pH. While fungi required slightly acidic media, that is 6 to 7 pH level. pH range 0 to 7 is acidic and pH range 8 to 14 is alkali and pH 7 is neutral. Method of pH adjustment: calorimetric method and electrolytic method. These are the two methods of pH adjustment. Then first one, calorimetric method. This method is based on the use of certain indicators or reagent that exhibits different colors and different pH values when added to a medium. These are all the indicators in depend upon the pH ranges. Bromokisror purple, pH range 5.2 to 6.8. Bromothymol blue means BTB 6 to 7.6 yellow color. Phenol 68 to 84 yellow color, and methyl red 4.4 to 6 is red. In acidic pH it shows yellow and red color, and in alkali purple, blue, red and yellow colors. Procedure: add 0.5 ml of bromothymol blue means BTB to 5 ml of medium. It will show the color according to the original pH. Place the tube along with the another tube containing distilled water in the comparator block. Compare the color with the help of indicator disc and note the original pH. Adjust the pH to alkaline or acidic range by adding 0.5 normal NaOH or 0.5 normal HCl means sodium chloride or hydrochloride. Solution as required. Calculate the quantity of 1 normal NaOH or HCl solution required to be added to the total volume of medium. Recheck the pH of the medium after adjustment. Electrolytic method. This is the method on the basis of principle that solution of different reaction exhibit different degrees of resistance to an electric current. The resistance is directly measured on the scale reading from 1 to 14. The apparatus is known as Beckman's pH meter. It gives accurate and quick pH observations and adjustment. Then buffer solutions. Buffers are the substances which prevent rapid changes in the pH of medium due to the activities and respiration of microorganisms. The pH of the medium is changes and hence it is prevented by buffer, for example peptone, carbonate protein and phosphates, etc. Then requirement of good plug. We have to make plugs for test tube, flask, etc. It should be tight enough to bear the weight of the container. Then okay, it should be tight enough to bear the weight of the container. It should be 1 to 1.5 inside the mouth of flask. It should be easily removable and replaceable. Preparation of nutrient agar medium. Weight the all ingredients according to the required quantity. Pour the required quantity of water in ingredients in conical flask. Use the conical flask having double the capacity of required minimum means we have to pour media in 1000 ml of flask into 5 ml of media into 1000 capacity of the flask. Then dissolve the constituent with the agitation. Adjust the pH of the medium with acid or alkali. Cotton plug is applied to the conical flask and sterilize in autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 psi pressure for 15 minutes. After sterilization, the medium is cooled down up to 45 degrees Celsius and then pour into the petri plates. Then preparation of nutrient broth. Weigh the chemicals ingredients of nutrient broth medium and pour into conical flask. Add the desired quantity of water in conical flask and plug it. Means plug the cotton plug. Then sterilize the conical flask in autoclave 15 psi pressure for 15 minutes at 121 degrees Celsius. After the sterilization, cool down the medium and use for the growing of bacteria or for multiplication of microorganisms. Then preparation of agar plates. Prepare the nutrient agar medium, sterilize in autoclave and simultaneously sterilize the petri plates in hot air oven 160 to 180 degrees Celsius to 1 hour. Raise the lid of the petri plate only enough far to permit the mouth of conical flask, holding the bottom portion of petri plates flat on hand. Pour the molten nutrient agar medium in petri plates, approximately 15 to 20 ml each petri plate. Rotate the plate clockwise and anti-clockwise for even distribution of medium in a plate. Use the solidified plates for inoculation with the bacterial growth and incubate them in inverted portion to rinse excess water to avoid the contamination. Then preparation of slant. Prepare nutrient agar medium. Fill the test tube with 10 ml each of molten nutrient agar medium. Plug the tubes and keep in wire basket in vertical position. Sterilize the tubes in autoclave at 15 psi for pressure for 15 minutes. After sterilization, keep the tubes in a slanting position on the wooden plant or slanting cardboard having 50 to 20% slope for solidification. The slant provide maximum surface area and nutrient availability for bacterial growth. Then preparation of stabs. Prepare nutrient agar medium. Pour molten agar medium 10 ml in each test tube. Plug the test tube. Then sterilize agar test tube in autoclave. After sterilization, keep the tubes in the tube stand vertically for solidification. The stabs are used for testing the physiological and other characters of the bacteria for identification. This is the classwork of this exercise. Observe the material used in the preparation of culture medium. Prepared NA means nutrient agar, PDA means potato dextrose agar and asbestos medium as per the ingredients or composition given in the lecture. Thank you so much for listening. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.